Creation of Adam and Eve. After creating the world, God made Adam, the first man, from dust and gave him life by breathing into him. God placed Adam in the Garden of Eden, a beautiful place full of trees, animals, and rivers. Adam could eat from any tree except the tree of the knowledge of good and evil. God said it wasn't good for Adam to be alone, so he made a woman, Eve, from one of Adam's ribs. She became his companion, and they lived together in the garden. The temptation. In the garden was a clever serpent, Satan in disguise. He tricked Eve by asking, "Did God really say you can't eat from any tree?" Eve said they could eat from any tree except the one in the middle of the garden, or they would die. The serpent lied and said, "You won't die. You'll be like God, knowing good and evil." Eve took the fruit and ate it, and then gave some to Adam, who also ate it. The fall. Immediately, they realized they were naked and felt shame. They tried to hide from God. When God asked what happened, Adam blamed Eve, and Eve blamed the serpent. God was saddened because of their disobedience. The serpent was cursed to crawl on its belly. Eve would face pain in childbirth. Adam would have to work hard to grow food. They were banished from the Garden of Eden. To prevent them from eating from the tree of life, God placed angels with flaming swords at the garden's entrance. Key lessons. Free will. Adam and Eve had a choice and chose to disobey. Consequences. Sin brought separation from God. Hope. Even in punishment, God showed care. He made clothes for them and gave the first hint of a future Savior.